In the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the Indian security forces are vigorously conducting a series of anti-terror operations aimed at dismantling the network of Pakistan-backed terrorism that has plagued the area. The forces are combing through the dense vegetation where terrorists have sought refuge. The operation has garnered high-level attention, with senior officers from the CRPF and Indian Army personally overseeing the search efforts on the ground. This operation follows the tragic loss of village defence guard Mohammad Sharif in gunfight with the terrorists. A report.
On April 28th, a village defence guard was fatally injured in a gunfight between the police and a group of hiding terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Udhampur district. The injured VDG member later succumbed to his injuries in the hospital. He has been identified as Mohammad Sharif, a resident of Basantgarh, Udhampur. Village Defence Guards, once known as Village Defence Committee, are armed civilian group set up in Jammu and Kashmir border areas to ward off terrorist attack. The guards are provided with guns and ammunition to tackle terrorists in case of an attack until security forces reach the particular area. According to police officials, two groups of terrorists have infiltrated from across the border.
सभी जगह हमने एक्टिवेशन किया, हमने बीडीजीज को एक्टिवेशन किया और हमारी जब बीडीजी जो हमारे एसपीओ के साथ थी, जो हमारे मेंबरान हैं, हमारे पूरे परिवार की, इन्होंने जब इलाके में गश्त की, इलाके में एरिया डोमिनेशन एक्सरसाइज शुरू की, तो उस गश्त में आतंकवादियों ने इन पर हमला किया। जवाबी कार्रवाई हमारी पार्टी ने भी की और उसमें एक हमारा एक साथी उसमें एक शहीद हुआ है और पूरे इलाके की घेराबंदी हमने की है और उसमें सर्च जारी है।
In response to this attack, CRPF as well as para-commandos cordoned off a wide area and guarded all the escape routes. According to reports, a massive search operation is underway and senior police and army officers are monitoring the operation themselves, but no trace of the terrorists have been found yet. Security forces are using an unmanned aerial vehicle to track down the terrorists who are hiding, taking cover of thick vegetation.
हमारी जो सर्च पार्टीज हैं वो इस वक्त डीप जंगल्स में सर्च कर रही हैं, जो आसपास के इलाके हैं जहां डोके हैं वहां पे सर्च कर रही हैं और इसके अलावा हमारे जो जितने भी सारे सहयोगी फोर्सेस हैं उसके साथ हमारे काफी सारे अपने जेकेपी के एलिमेंट्स हैं वो सब इसमें लगे हुए हैं। ड्रोन सर्विलेंस जो है वो हमने पुशिंग की है और सर्च फिलहाल जारी है।
In recent years, there have been ongoing security challenges in India's Jammu and Kashmir region due to infiltration attempts by militants. These attempts involve terrorists crossing the line of control from Pakistan-occupied territory. Pakistan is providing training and funding to terrorists to infiltrate into Jammu and Kashmir and carry out attacks on security forces and civilians. Infiltrators often use rugged and mountainous terrain to evade Indian security forces and carry out attacks on targets within Indian territory. Pakistan's support for terrorist groups in Jammu and Kashmir is seen as part of its broader strategy of using proxy warfare to exert pressure on India and pursue its agenda in the region. However, the Indian security forces have been engaged in counter-insurgency operations to thwart these infiltration attempts and to maintain peace and stability in the region.